and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alvina and guess what? I've completed the 1 month First Love facial treatment mask. I'm here to share with you guys the results of using the mask every day diligently and how my skin turned out, how I feel about the mask, and what is this mask actually all about. So the two main ingredients in this facial mask is actually the white strawberry extract as well as the beneficial bacteria microbe. Let's put on the mask, right? There was no tingling sensation, there was no redness, and it felt very nice, very comfortable on your skin because it's made up of 100% silk material. This mask is actually made up of silk fibroid, 100% silk fibroid, which is harmless to the body. When you put it on your face, it seamlessly just fits onto your face nicely, and you know that all the moisture, all the serum is actually evenly spread out onto your face. Today is actually 9th of July and it's my day 1. Let's go! Now that I have the First Love sheet mask, I'll be sharing with you guys the first impressions. In every box, right, you actually have 8 pieces of the sheet mask. Wow! Wow! This smell gives off a very calming vibe. It smells very nice. I'm not sure if this is how white strawberry smells like, but it just gives off this very floral fragrance. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but when you first open the packaging, right, it's actually really wet. Like you can see some bubbles still forming, and it shows that the mask itself is really full of the nutrients from the white strawberry extract. Prior to this, my face was actually kind of red. Yes, I'm home right now, and as you can see, I kind of have like a new pimple here, and my skin condition isn't very good because my menses is coming. And yeah, I'm gonna be putting on the mask. On the first day, I actually used the mask 3 times, and it's really fine. It doesn't have any adverse skin effects on my face. My skin was super hydrated, it was super moist, preferably about 5 times, and your skin doesn't feel very overworked, overwhelmed by the amount of product you actually put on your face. And within these 3 days, I've actually used about 4 or 5 masks already. And today's the 3rd day, and this is my 5th mask of the 3 days. And I can see that I can gradually see my skin improving from day 1. I feel that there was a slight improvement in my eye bags and my dark circles. 7, and I'm supposed to give you guys like a review. After using the mask, I can also feel that my skin got firmer in a way that my skin feels better. Like all my scars that were visible on day 1 kind of like became slightly not so visible. I didn't have to use any vitamin E to help to lighten the scars. I just have to use the mask, and it kind of already helped me get the effect that I wanted. As you can see, it's like really wet. I like the cooling sensation that you have on your face. A certain masks, which I'm not gonna name, don't really feel that wet anymore. Like you know that it's already dry. Feel that it's very hydrating, like no doubt, because even though I put on the mask for an hour, it actually still feels wet after that. This is actually the skin condition of my face as of 3rd week of using the mask. The scars did significantly became lighter, and I do feel that I became fairer. Like you can feel that it's very smooth. It doesn't feel like I have to put on that much makeup now. This is the results of my face after using the mask for 20 plus days every day. So yeah, this is the results. As this is the final day and the last day which I decided to give a review for you guys, I've decided to keep this last mask and I'm gonna use it with you guys. It still smells very nice lah. So it doesn't really smell very rich. It's not very heavy as well, so if you can tell, but it's really wet. Like I love how all these masks, right, are like really wet. It's a safe product. I mean, for someone who actually has sensitive skin, this product helps to treat sensitive skin. I can actually see a significant difference in how my skin actually became more radiant, my complexion got better, and I can see that the the skin complexion really did improve. Because I put the mask at night, right? So the next day when I woke up, I felt that my skin was really hydrated. It still has moisture locked in onto my skin, right? And if you want to use this product, you can actually use a code which I'll put in my description box below. And actually check out their website, which is themerrylifego.com, and their Instagram page, which is themerrylifego, or you can actually check out their other Instagram page, which is DiamondFacesg. I'd like to thank you guys for following me on this journey. I'm happy with the results, and I'll see you guys on my next beauty review. Bye!